So this time we are going to talk about our small trip to Ruckl glass factory, and this is a small factory which is placed in Nizhbor city in Czech Republic, and it's quite old. I think it is coming from 1846, and now it celebrates a small anniversary, so it was interesting to visit this open doors event and also see what is happening inside, because they were making small trips around the factory showing the manufacturing process and also giving the chance to try out all of the possible manufacturing steps. As you can see in the video, and as you will see on some other shots, there was a possibility to try to engrave something on your glass or maybe even blow your glass. So it's quite an experience. And also on this event you could also check the new collection of the glass products, which was named as a heroine. So you can see there are quite nice vases with the really sharp engraving. It looks very beautiful in person, but well, the pricing is also quite nice, so it's something of a piece which you will appreciate, and I think it will be unusual, it will be something exclusive for your flat, so it's something to consider, and price tag can be justified because it's a full hand manufacturing, and of course all of these pieces are somewhat limited in amount. Overall impression is quite positive. All people were happy to explain what they are doing, why they are doing this procedure, and of course to show you how it works. And you can notice on the video that the engraving section was also quite an experience. I tried to engrave my own glass, and I think maybe I will return sometime later, because this brand actually has a lot of interesting products. Small shop was also offering a small discount, and of course there was a small competition for the beer glass, but I decided to get my own. And of course you can get all of this stuff also on the website, so if you don't have a chance to visit Nizhbor, don't worry, you can order it from their website. It's quite easy, and as far as I saw, they pack it carefully, so you won't have any issues with that. Even though whole manufacturing equipment and the space where the production happens might look a bit weathered, well, all of these products are quite innovative. At least the design, in my opinion, is something different from what we are used to see when we are talking about the glass products, be it some whiskey glass or maybe some vase for your flowers. So overall I can say this is a great experience, and I know that they are making small factory trips even without anniversary celebrations, so if you happen to be nearby and it's 1 hour trip from Prague, then definitely visit it and check out what they are making. Note that the experience is also offered even in the time when anniversary is not celebrated, so you can try the engraving, you can try also blowing your own glass, and I would recommend to try both, and of course the glass might be a nice souvenir to take from this trip. Because it's always cool to see how these products are actually born. Of course, I will be happy to hear your opinion. Do not forget to write it in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video report as usual. Thank you for watching today, and bye.